Recording in progress.
IMAN is one of the Centre of Excellence of UKM and has been awarded the Nano Malaysia Centre of Excellence by the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation in 2011. Recently, IMAN has been awarded the Higher Education Centre of Excellence by the Ministry of Education in the field of Micro-Electromechanical System or MEMS and Nanoelectronics, which is one of UKM's research strength, and other related areas such as organic and printed electronics, nanophotonics and semiconductor packaging. The MEMS microspeaker is a miniaturized loudspeaker which is fabricated using micro electromechanical systems technology. Currently, the development of MEMS speakers is aimed to answer the growing market demand for embedded audio equipment in multimedia and mobile devices such as hearing aids, earphones, cellular phones, smartphones, and personal computer tablets. The devices are also required to be slimmer without compromising the existence of its performance. Using a combination of single MEMS speakers in large arrays has been proposed as one possible solution. Dielectrophoresis or DEP is a contactless manipulation method with the proven ability to discriminate and selective based on their physiological state, for example, size relative to the input frequency applied. DEP has been proven as a versatile mechanism to transport, accumulate, separate, and characterize micro and nanoscale bioparticles. This enables the inexpensive, fast, highly sensitive, highly selective, and label-free detection analysis of target bioparticles for cell separation and tumor cell separation application. Microfluidic-based microfilters for sample preparation prior to chemical and biological analysis have advantages over the conventional devices in terms of downsizing, integration, portability, and small volume of sample usage. The difference in size and shape of the cells or particles are exploited in the passive separation way in which it do not involve external forces. Puma as an elastomeric polymer introduced by IMAN is suitable for low-cost, rapid prototyping of microfluidic devices with application in microfabrication of adjustable micro devices. The elastomeric device is consistent of arrays of micropillars and gaps precisely manufactured with the microfabrication techniques for capturing circulating tumor cells or CTCs in human blood. Quantum dots or QD are nanocrystals of semiconducting materials with size ranging from few top tenths of a nanometer. The brightness and the color purity of the emission are considerably high compared to conventional organic and polymeric chromophore. QDs act as potential key material for producing pure color light emitter in light-emitting diode devices and produce highly demanded multiple excitons pair for solar cell when irradiated with photon.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Ernie, for sharing the videos just now. So my name is Dr. Susie and I'll be your moderator for today. And Dr. Ernie, next slide, please. So I'd like to thank the secretariat for today's execution at the background. Puan Siti Azura, Dr Hafsa Liza Erni, Dr Siti Nur Fadlina, and also Encik Saiful from IMAN. Also all our EDS volunteers who have assisted in the execution of this program. Next slide, please. So this is our agenda for today. We are very honored to have three distinguished speakers for today for our welcoming remarks, which is Associate Professor Dr Haidar, Professor Dr Muhammad Niza Hamidon, and also Professor Dr Azrul Azlan Hamza. So after that, we will have a group photo. So we hope all our participants, you can use the backdrop shared in the group, and maybe Secretariat, you can also share in the chat if possible, so that we can all have a similar looking background. And then we'll move on to the training, Tinkercad training by Dr. Insinyur Hazian Mahmad, the Vice Chair of EDS Malaysia, and also followed by Microbit training by Dr. Aliza, and last but not least, Microbit hardware training by Dr. Ahmad Gaddafi. And then students, we are going to have a Kahoot quiz. So please pay attention during our session, because you never know, you might be one of the winners of the Kahoot quiz. This will be done by Tan Eugene, who is our EDS UKM Student Branch Chair. And then we'll have a question and answer session. So if you have any question, ada soalan, boleh tanya ya. Bukan saja masa sesi Q&A, but also during the session, you can ask questions. And then we have feedback form. So mohon isikan feedback form and let us know what is good, what is bad about our program. And then those who fill up the feedback form, you will get an e-certificate. So e-certificate for your school, PAJSK purposes. All right. So next slide, please. Okay, just a brief introduction about IEEE Day. It is celebrated. It is celebrated for when engineers worldwide and IEEE members, they gather to share their technical ideas in 1884. So this year's theme is called Leveraging Technology for a Better Tomorrow. So actually it's celebrated on 5th of October, but then the celebration is going on from 1st October until 17th October. And then for our event today, there is a photo and also video contest. So participants, you can take photo and also you can take video during our session and share in the WhatsApp group or in the chat, and we will submit all your submissions to the contest, and who knows, you might be a winner as well. Next slide, please. Okay, about Electron Devices Society, this society has been in existence since 1991, and it was the first chair is Allahyarham Prof. Dr. Zahari Muhammad Darus from JKIS FKAB UKM. And currently we have Prof. Dr. Burhanuddin Yok Majlis, who is the IMAN founding director, as the advisor. Next slide, please. And I'd like to bring your attention to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So there are 17 SDG goals, and our event today, it qualifies for about 5 SDG goals, which is quality education, gender equality, industry innovation and infrastructure, reduce inequalities, and also partnership for the goals. As you can see, we have so many groups involved in our STEM event today. We have EDS Malaysia, we have EDS UKM Student Branch, EDS Penang. We also have IMAN UKM, and also all of you participants, yeah, from different schools and different backgrounds. So it shows that we can partner together for a STEM event such as this. Next slide. Okay, and about IMAN, you have seen the slide just now. IMAN has been established since 2002. And it is one of the COE and high COE in Malaysia. Next slide, please. Okay, so without further ado, we have three prominent speakers here today to grace our event. So the first is Associate Professor Dr. Haidar Wati Muhammad Nasir, and she's the chair of IEEE Educational Activities from IEEE Malaysia section. So just a brief introduction about Dr. Haidar. She's a senior lecturer at the University of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysian Institute of Information Technology. She obtained her PhD degree from the Department of Electrical and Electronic, University of Strathclyde, Glasgow in 2012. and her research interest is in signal and image processing with application to super resolution image reconstruction, image enhancement, and computer vision. So Dr. Haidar, the floor is yours. Dr. Haidar.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to turn on my mic.
Okay, Dr. Haidar. Thank you for joining.
Alright.
Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you Dr. Susie dan terima kasih juga kepada IEEE EDS kerana menjemput saya bersama-sama dalam menjayakan program ni. So pertama kali saya nak mengucapkan sekalung tahniah untuk IEEE EDS kerana menganjurkan program Tinkercad dan Microbit STEM Program for Sustainability Development Goals, dan juga kepada tahniah kepada peserta-peserta yang menyertai dan berminat mengikuti program ini. Dan saya yakin program ini akan meningkatkan minat para peserta terhadap STEM serta memupuk pelajar berfikiran kritis dan inovatif. Dan saya juga percaya dengan memperkenalkan alat dan sumber yang betul seperti mendedahkan pelajar dengan kewujudan alat yang berpatutan dan percuma seperti Tinkercad dan Microbit yang dapat diterokai lebih jauh dan juga akan meningkatkan kesedaran industri 4.0 di kalangan para pelajar. Dan dalam untuk pengetahuan semua, dalam Pelan Pembangunan Pendidikan Malaysia, STEM disebut secara eksplisit sebagai inisiatif khusus yang harus diambil oleh kementerian. Okay, matlamat pendidikan STEM Malaysia adalah untuk melahirkan pelajar yang celik STEM yang dapat mengenal pasti dan memahami masalah serta menerapkan dan mengintegrasikan konsep STEM ke dalam penyelesaian masalah yang sesuai. So, saya rasa program seperti yang EDS anjurkan ini adalah bertepatan dengan objektif pendidikan STEM dan juga inisiatif Pre-University Education of IEEE Educational Activities, iaitu merangsang minat pelajar terhadap STEM melalui pendekatan pembelajaran formal dan tidak formal seperti hari ini. Formal adalah di sekolah dan tidak formal adalah anjuran volunteer-volunteer IEEE seperti EDS, and then mempertajamkan pengetahuan dan kemahiran guru dalam mengajar mata pelajaran yang berkaitan dengan STEM melalui program pembangunan profesional yang berterusan dan juga meningkatkan kesedaran dan pemupukan STEM di kalangan pelajar, guru dan masyarakat melalui program STEM. Dan saya rasa program STEM seperti yang ADS anjurkan ini akan menangani peningkatan keperluan pendidikan STEM untuk mendorong pertumbuhan ekonomi masa depan kita, dan latar belakang STEM yang kuat sangat diperlukan untuk menyokong inisiatif ini. Tahniah sekali lagi untuk EDS Malaysia kerana menganjurkan program seumpama ini. Akhir sekali kepada para peserta, jangan ambil kesempatan ini untuk belajar daripada expert. Mereka ni semua adalah expert. Have fun, dan yang paling penting jangan berhenti di sini. Teruskan menjelajah lebih jauh selepas bengkel ini kerana Tinkercad adalah percuma. Dan berada, jika you ada internet, then you can connect to Tinkercad. So saya rasa itu saja untuk hari ini. Diharap program seperti ini akan memupuk ramai lagi pelajar-pelajar untuk mewakili atau mengambil program STEM di masa hadapan, insya-Allah. Back to you, Dr. Susie.
Okay, thank you so much. Terima kasih Dr. Haidar. Okay, so adik-adik semua dah dengar Dr. Haidar kata okay, ini adalah platform untuk anda gunakan untuk praktikkan Tinkercad, Microbit untuk your future. Okay, who knows, you'll be an engineer in the future. Okay, next, Secretariat, next slide please. Okay, kita ada seorang lagi prominent speaker, which is Professor Dr. Muhammad Nizar Hamidun. So, Professor Dr. Nizar merupakan past chair IEEE EDS Malaysia dan beliau adalah dari Universiti Putra Malaysia. Jadi izinkan saya bacakan sedikit sebanyak tentang Professor Dr. Nizar. So, Dr. Nizar ialah Professor di Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department dan juga Director of Institute of Advanced Technology at Universiti Putra Malaysia. So, he received his Bachelor of Science in Physics and Master of Science in Microelectronics from Universiti Melaya and also Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia. So, alumni UKM juga. And PhD degree from University of Southampton in 2005. So, Prof. Nizar's his research is funded by MOSTI and also Ministry of Higher Education. And his research interest is mainly in development of gas sensor system and sensor system for wireless applications. And as I mentioned just now, Prof. Niza is the past chair of IEEE Electron Devices Malaysia chapter. Prof. Niza boleh berikan welcoming remarks, dipersilakan.
Terima kasih Dr. Susie. So first of all, for all the participants, welcome to our program. So I just like to thank for the RTPE section and also for the IMAN, alright, for allow us to organize this program. So we very thanks for both of you. Pertama kali saya juga ingin mengambil kesempatan untuk mengucapkan thanks a lot to all the volunteer to make this program happen. I know it is a weekend. So supposedly we spend more time with our family. Okay. So thanks again for all of you to spend your time to make this program happening. And also for all the participants in this program, I hope just like Dr. Haidar said, have a fun. Alright. So my doa after this, maybe few of you will trigger, have a very interested in the STEM, especially in electronic. Okay. For as your information, our country really need a lot of engineer because we like to be a developed country. So that's why we need a lot of engineer. Okay. And for all the participant information also, this is not only the program that ED going to do. We have several others after this. So just follow, I think, in our Facebook, is it? Dr. Susie? We have our Facebook, right?
Yes, Prof.
Okay, so you can follow our Facebook, and then we also put other program which you really interested to join. It's for free, if I'm not mistaken, all the program.
Yes.
Right? So with that, thanks again. So all the participants have a very fun, all right, for today, and testicular idiom, all right, and I hope we'll see you after this in the next program that we organize. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Prof. Niza. Terima kasih. So next kita ada next slide please, secretariat. Okay, so sekarang kita ada Profesor Dr. Hazian Hamza, IMAN Director, untuk memberikan kata-kata aluan. Dipersilakan, Prof. Prof. Hazian. Prof. Hazian tak join. Okay, that's okay. Maybe if Prof. Azlan join later on, we can hear what he has to say. Okay, so now next slide please, Secretariat. Okay, so we move on to our Tinkercad simulation. So our first instructor is Insinyur Dr. Hazian Mamat. He is a senior researcher in MIMOS and also vice chair of IEEE EDS Malaysia. So let me read out his brief biodata. So Dr. Hazian is a senior engineer at MIMOS Berhad. He received his PhD in microelectronics and nanoelectronics engineering from UKM in 2018, master's degree from UNIMAP in 2007, and his bachelor's degree from UiTM in 1999. So he is a professional engineer with the Board of Engineer Malaysia since 2014. And he's a member of IEEE from 2008 and promoted to senior member in 2015. So since 2010, he has been a committee of EDS and also Communication Society, ComSoc, and he's actively involved in international and regional conferences organized by IEEE EDS. So Dr. Hazian's research interest is in semiconductor fabrication, CMOS process, semiconductor defect, internet communication, sensor packaging, wireless sensor network, IoT, and also artificial intelligence. So Dr. Hazian, over to you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to all. Thank you very much to Dr. Susie our moderator today. Okay, I would like.
Dr Hazian, sorry sebab
Yes.
kita sepatutnya ambil group foto sekarang. Lupa.
Okay, sorry. Okay, right.
Okay, sorry about that. Sorry about
No
that.
problem.
So
Right.
we like to invite all the participants to open your camera and let's have a group photo. Okay, semua boleh buka kamera ya, senyum. Kalau ada background, boleh letak sebagai background.
Dr. Susie, maybe Dr. Ernie can unshare the screen so we can take the group photo.
Dr. Ernie boleh unshare dulu supaya kita boleh tengok galeri ya.
Okay, I can take the photo. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, smile. Wait, 1 minute. Okay. I'll say first. Another one, freestyle. 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. That is.
All right, okay. So thank you so much for the group photo. Okay, Dr. Hazian, back to you. Sorry.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, before we start the Tinker Cat session, actually I'm the appointed person for the EDS ambassador for the IEEE Day. Okay. So let me share the screen. Actually, just a little bit more the info that been shared by Dr. Susie. As a just introduction to the IEEE Day. Actually, this year is the 12 years of the celebration of the IEEE Day. It started on October 2010, and you can see here different logo for each year. Okay. As mentioned by Dr. Susie, the celebration day of the IEEE Day is on the first Tuesday of the October every year. So this year is on the Tuesday 5th October. Okay, and then the celebration is on the 20th September until 50th October. Okay, you can see the event that reported all over the world from 2010 to 2019. You can see over the years the numbers keep increasing. Okay. And 2020 we don't have the celebration due to pandemic, and this year we have online. Okay. And then as mentioned by Dr. Susie, we have the photo and also video contest. It will have the exciting prizes. Then please share your creative photo and video to us, and then we will submit to the IEEE HQ. It will be monetary value in US dollars and different value for the first, second, and third prizes. So please create a very creative of your photo and also video for 1 minute. Okay. And then the offers by IEEE Day, you can check in the IEEE Day website. There is a offer for new and renewing IEEE student and graduate student, which is you can get 50% on the membership dues. You can put the code future 50 during the checkout process. The ticket can be found out in the IEEE Day website. And this is the offers that available in the website. You can check that. And the celebration is also happen on this social media, the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. There are a lot of events being organized by IEEE members all over the world. You can check the program there. And a bit about the SDG that we mentioned by Susie. It has 17 goals that set by United Nations during the General Assembly in 2015. And for us, is we're focusing on the quality education. Yes. And the goal target is by 2030 to ensure that all girls and boys are completely free, equitable, quality primary and secondary education. Okay. And also affordable and quality technical, vocational, tertiary education, including university, and many more. The target that been set by the UN. Okay, that's all about the IEEE Day, and we move to the Tinkercad session. Okay. If you notice that in the WhatsApp group, I did share the class code. If you register using the class code that been given, you will be put under my classroom. But if you not register through the class code, and then you can sign in by your individual email. I mean individual account, and then you can follow the class. Okay, so let's start the class now. Okay. Share this screen. Okay. Okay, this is my account under my name. Okay, as I mentioned just now, if you joining by the class code that I share, you can see here. You can see here the class name Tinkercad and Microbit STEM program for sustainable development goals. And we have here 8 students. Yeah, okay. But no mind, if you did not join in the class, it's okay. You can still join the session. But to tell you about the benefit of the Tinkercad classroom, sebagai parent, you can create the class. Okay, you can create a new class, and then you boleh masukkan nama kelas. Okay, and then grade untuk anak-anak yang tahun berapa. Okay. Ada banyak choices kat sini, and then subject apa yang kita nak buat, ni session, sama ada engineering, electronic ataupun computer science, dan banyak lagi dia punya pilihan. Okay, and then apa yang kelebihannya bila kita buat the classes ni adalah bila kita klik the class, kita boleh monitor all the progress by our kids lah. Okay. For example, say I click on the Ahmad Furqan. Okay. So so saya boleh tengok on the 3D design. So apa yang dia dah buat. Also on the circuit. So apa projek yang dia dah buat. And then bila kita klik ke dalam projek ni, kita boleh tengok the detail lah. Kita boleh simulate sama ada projek yang dia buat tu is working or not, and then kita boleh remark kat sini sama ada bagus ataupun pilihan yang ada kat sini lah. Sebelum ni dia ada kita boleh masukkan komen, tapi commenting on the design has been removed. Maybe ada some reason by the Tinkercad team that they didn't I mean they remove the comment section for the student.
Dr Hazian, dalam
Yes.
chat ada Imana Meril, dia kata I cannot join the class, so
Okay. Let me check.
class code betul lah kita letak dalam chat dah. DTQM, VSEF.
Yes, yeah.
That's correct, right?
If you cannot join the class by the class code, you can
Okay.
sign in using individual login. You mean not use the code lah.
Okay.
You just put in the email and then few particular about your personal information. Then that's it. You will be in the Tinkercad homepage.
Dah okey dah Dr Hazian.
Alright.
Okay, terima kasih.
Okay. Alright. So now let's start the circuit design. So today kita akan buat circuit design. Okay, actually ada 3 project yang akan kita buat today, which is first one is this series connection, very basic one, and then the second one is the voltage measurement, and the third one is the microbit test. Okay, the first one, let's do the series connection. Okay, so you can create new circuit. Okay, so semua boleh follow ah. Kalau if you have anything, then you can stop me, and then maybe you can on your mic, or you can put into the chat box. Okay. Okay. Now you are in the circuit design worksheet. So now first we do is change the name for the worksheet. You can put anything. Like for example, you can put series connection. Okay. Now you can go to the component. You can choose all the component will be shown here, and then you call battery. And then we have here battery, and then second you call resistor. Okay, we already have here resistor. This is very simple one. Okay, and then the resistor you can keep at 1 kilo ohm. It's okay. And then we rotate this resistor to the horizontal position. And then we call a bulb. Okay, light bulb. Okay. Now we do the connection of the circuit. Okay, this is the positive terminal. You put the cursor here until it show the red marking, and then you click, and then you draw the line to the terminal 2 of the resistor. And then from the terminal 1 of the resistor, you click to the bulb, terminal 1. And then from the terminal 2 of the bulb, you click. Yes?
Can you start again? Because I don't know how to.
Okay, sorry. Maybe I too fast. Okay, let me start again. No problem. Okay. Have you logged into this worksheet?
I'm amazing to bigger.
Are you at the homepage or the circuit worksheet? Are you here? Are you here?
Yes, I am there, but I'm
Okay.
just a different link.
Different what? Different.
Bigger.
Do you see this create new circuit?
Yes, I click that.
Do you see this one? Create new circuit?
I click it.
Huh? Okay.
I clicked it.
You just click the new circuit.
Oh, then already done. This is the
Okay. All right. Okay. So next, what you can do is you can rename the worksheet to the series connection. Okay. Are you okay?
Yes.
Maramin. Okay, all right. Okay, now you change the component here to the all component. Okay. And next.
Okay.
Okay, and then you call for the battery. You type here BAT, and then you can see the battery pop up here. And then you just click on the battery and you drag to the worksheet. Okay?
Done.
Done. All right, good. Okay, so next you can see here the resistor. Also
Yes.
same. Yeah, you click and then you drag to the worksheet here. Okay?
Okay.
And then there is a rotation button here. You can rotate the resistor to horizontal position. Okay.
Okay.
And then you call for bulb. You can see the bulb pop up here. And then you just click on the bulb and then you drag into the worksheet here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, okay, you can follow from there. All right. Now we are going to do the connection to our circuit. Okay, now please make sure that the cursor into the positive terminal, and then you can see the red dot, and then you click on the left button of the mouse. Okay, and then you drag the line to the terminal 2 of the resistor. Okay. And then next, from the terminal 1 of the resistor, you click, and then to the terminal 1 of the bulb. Okay. And next, from the terminal 2 of the bulb, go to the negative terminal of the battery. All right. Actually, you can change the color of the line or the cable. You can choose here for the incoming or the positive wire. You can change to red. Okay, same to here. Red. Okay. Okay, and then the negative terminal you can change to black. All right. So the objective of this circuit, actually, we want to know if this resistor, if the higher resistor, what will be the brightness of the bulb. So what do you think? If the resistor is higher, what is the bulb will be? You can put in the chat. Higher resistor is what? The brightness will be high or the brightness will be low. Okay. Okay. Now the resistor we put at 1 kilo ohm. So it's a high, very high. It's high resistance. Okay, for the resistor. And then okay, let's take a look what's happened when we have a 1 kilo ohm resistor with the circuit. Okay, so we start the simulation to check the effect of the high resistance here. Okay, so we got a dimmer, less bright of the bulb. Okay, now we stop this simulation. Okay, and then we change the resistor to 1 ohm, which is a less resistant. and then we check the brightness of the bulb. See, the brightness is more, the bulb is more bright compared to the higher resistance. Okay. So if we kalau kita buat perbandingan, I mean compared to the more advanced circuit like transistor, which is used in the phone or computer, which is the transistor is act as a switch. As we know that switch, we need to have a very low resistance, low heat dissipation to make it send the data fast. So that can be correlated to this simple project that we have done today, which is if we have a very low material of the resistor, then we can have a bright light of the bulb. So that one the simple correlation between our circuit and also the transistor that been used in our phone and computer today. Okay, so then we have done on the first circuit. So let's move to the second circuit. We go to the home page, and the first circuit is been saved. Okay, you can see here, and now we create a second circuit. Just click for the new circuit. So everyone is okay. Let me check the chat box if anything. Yeah, Anik Din, Dimmer. Okay, you're good. All right. So now we are going to create a voltage measurement. Okay, you can name the project as a voltage measurement. Voltage measurement. All right. So it change the name, and now change to the all component, and then you call the breadboard. Okay, you can use this one, breadboard small. Okay, you just bring it to the workspace here. Okay, now if you can see here, there is a vertical line and also horizontal line here. So this vertical line, the line are connected all together in the vertical line, and this one is connected together in the horizontal line. Okay. So next we call register. Okay. Register. We need 3 of them. Okay. Okay. You can put into the horizontal position. Okay. All right. Okay, about the resistance value, yeah, this one you can put 200 kilo ohms. The second one, you can see the colors code in the resistor being changed according to the resistor value that we put. Okay, and then this one you can put 100 ohms. You can change the value here. Okay. And the third one, we can put, let's say, 600 ohm. All right. And then we call power supply. Okay. It's not shown here, but you can actually find it by okay, here. There are power supply, but maybe the system is not cannot find maybe the name got some problem. But you can go select the cursor here and then find the power supply. Okay. Okay, then you drag and put into the workspace, and the voltage here you put 12 volt. And let the current at 5. Maintain the current at 5. Okay. And then one more is the multimeter.
Dr. Hazian, dalam
Yes.
chat ada, can you repeat the resistance values?
Okay. Okay. All right.
Lepas tu ada can repeat from the first step.
First step. Okay. Sorry. All right. Let me remove all this first.
Ni dari chat, dalam chat. Rosmiza, Uma.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Can you repeat the resistance? To go to the main page. All right. Okay. This is you can see the Tinkercad logo here. Okay. You can click here to go to the home page. All right. Now you are at the home page of the Tinkercad. Okay. And you click the circuit, and there will be a create new circuit button here. So you create this option. So it will bring you to the workspace. Is that okay?
Rosmiza, okay tak?
All right.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Yeah, all right. So let's continue. So first you change the component to all. All right. And then you find the breadboard. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You type the breadboard name, then it will be a breadboard. Yeah. You choose the breadboard small. Okay. You click on the breadboard small and then bring it to the workspace here. Okay. And then we need the resistor, 3 of them. Actually, you can put any numbers. The first one, let's say 100 kilo ohm. Okay, 100 kilo ohm for. You can put on any numbers. You can follow me or you can put on your own. Okay. Okay, you highlight this resistor and then put into a horizontal position. All right. And then pick up 2 more resistor. This one you can put 200 ohms. You can put any numbers.
Dr. Hazian ada
Yes.
ada komen, boleh campur cakap BM juga tak?
Alright. Okay, sorry. Alright. So sekarang ni kita pilih resistor dan you rotate, pusingkan dia punya resistor ni kepada melintang. Okay. Alright. So kita perlukan 3 resistor. Alright. 3 resistor, then you rotate the resistor. Alright. Alright. So susunan ni boleh letak dekat. I mean sebab dia punya connection is vertical, so you boleh letak dekat ataupun you boleh buat macam ni yang saya buat ni. You boleh follow saya. Okay. So yang ni is okay, ni 100 ohm. Ni 200 ohm. Ni 1 kilo ohm. So awak boleh letakkan value yang mengikut kehendak sendirilah. Okay. sebagai contoh yang saya buat ni, ni. Okay. Tak keluar. Tak apa. Alright. So next kita akan cari power supply. Power supply, you just tarik the apa ni, option of the apa ni, pilihan yang ada kat sini. So tengok power supply punya simbol. Okay. Dia ada kat bawah ni lah. Alright. Okay. Sebab kalau you tulis dekat search ni, dia tak akan keluar sebab dia ada mungkin sedikit apa ni, bugs lah yang Tinkercad belum fix. So you just find the power supply dalam list kat sini. So you just click on the power supply. Okay. And then bila dia keluar dekat sini, letakkan voltage value 12 volt. Okay, dan current ni biarkan dia dekat 5 ampere. Okay. The next adalah kita perlukan multimeter. Multimeter dekat sini. Okay, tarik dia ke sini. Kita perlukan 2 multimeter. Okay. Alright. And then satu lagi, kalau kita boleh masukkan osiloskop. Okay. Okay, now kita buat sambungan untuk lita ni. So first, kita sambungkan kita punya power supply kepada breadboard. Okay, this one is the positive terminal, and then you drag. Actually you boleh tengok dekat sini, which is this one is the positive, the second line, line yang kedua ni adalah positif. Okay, you boleh betulkan kedudukan apa ni, power supply ni supaya apa ni, setentang dengan apa ni, dia punya wire is a straight line lah, right? And then negative terminal boleh sambung kepada negatif punya line. Okay, see this is one negative, ini positif. Okay, you can change the line color to the red color, and then the negative wire to the black color. Okay, boleh ya? Next, kita akan sambung positif line to our resistor. Okay, boleh letak kat atas ni pun sebab dia satu line yang sama. Okay, so maknanya sekarang ni daripada terminal power supply dia akan masuk ke sini dan terus ke resistor yang pertama. So sekarang ni resistor yang pertama dengan yang kedua ni dia tidak bersambung. So kita perlukan satu line, satu wire untuk sambungkan dia. So kita klik atas wire ni, atas terminal 2 resistor, klik and then tarik dia ke terminal 1 resistor. Okay. Can change the line. Boleh tukar warna dia warna merah supaya senang. Okay, this one. This one. Merah. Okay. Resistor nombor 2, terminal nombor 2 sambung kepada terminal 1, resistor nombor 3. Okay. And then untuk negatif kita boleh ambil daripada sini sebab dia satu line yang sama. Atas ni negatif, make sure you ambil location yang betul lah, jangan ambil daripada sini. Sini adalah positif punya line, atas ni adalah negatif. So can change the color to black. Okay. So lita kita adalah complete sekarang ni. Okay. Now kita akan sambungkan kita punya multimeter. Okay, untuk sekarang ni fungsi multimeter ni adalah untuk measurement voltage. Okay. Okay. So positif terminal multimeter sambungkan kepada terminal 1 resistor 1, and then negatif tarik dulu sampai ke sini, dan klik sebelah kiri, dan dia akan kita boleh tukar dia punya direction of the inilah wire. Okey, dan klik sebelah kiri lagi sekali, dan kita sambung dia ke sini. Sebab ni adalah straight line. Sama ada kita sambung ke terminal ni ataupun kita sambung ke sini, dia adalah sama sebab dia satu line. Dia okey. Okey. Kita tukar warna ni warna merah. Okey. Oh, there is more chat here. Okay. This actually for the Susie. Okay. Okay, now sama juga untuk yang second multimeter, positif. Okay, tarik dia sampai ke positif. Okay. Alright. Sambungkan kepada resistor yang kedua. Resistor yang kedua dia punya endpoint dia dekat sini, so just ambil satu, tarik, left click, left click, dan sambung pada negatif. Negatif tukar kepada black. Okay. Okay. Now kita akan buat connection untuk oscilloscope. Negatif, tarik ke sini. Okay, jadi negatif, tarik sikit, tekan kiri, lepas tu sambung ke sini. Okay. Okay, yang merah punya positif, tarik sampai situ, klik, then okay. So yang ni boleh tukar kepada warna merah. Okay, now kita dah complete our circuit. Okay, so let's start the simulation. Kita tengok apa yang jadi. Okay. Untuk resistor yang pertama, which is 100 kilo ohm, kita akan dapat voltage yang measurement dekat resistor ni adalah 11.9 volt. Okay. Dan pada resistor yang kedua, which is saya setkan 200 ohm, kita akan dapat 23.7 millivolt. Okay. Okay. And then yang kat sini sebenarnya yang kita nak tengok menggunakan oscilloscope ni adalah voltage, dia punya voltage jugalah. Cuma dekat sini kita akan dapat straight line sebab sumber kuasa kita adalah DC, so kita akan dapat straight line 12 volt. Okay. Jadi the voltage adalah bergantung kepada resistor yang ni lah. Resistor ni adalah 1 kilo ohm. Okay. So ni adalah circuit untuk buat measurement voltage. Okay. So semua okey ke? Okay. Sebenarnya kita boleh buat secara pengiraan lah voltage untuk yang contoh kalau Kemudian bila adik-adik dah masuk universiti ataupun belajar di sekolah menengah, nanti dia akan ajarkan cara-cara pengiraan untuk voltage, current dan juga resistance. Dia ada formula dia. Dia kalau untuk kira voltage, dia ada V, voltage bersamaan dengan current darab dengan resistance. Okay. So sekarang ni untuk yang contoh yang resistor ni dia dapat 11.9 volt, maknanya V sama dengan IR, current 119 microamp darab dengan 100 kilo ohm, kita akan dapat 11.9 volt. Okay, itu adalah contoh pengiraan yang mudah lah. Alright, so we're done on the second circuit. So we stop the simulation. Now go back to the homepage of Tinkercad. Okay. So kita buat satu lagi circuit yang baru. Okay, create new circuit. Okay. Next kita akan belajar sedikit mengenai Microbit yang later Dr. Aliza dan Dr. Gad akan bagi yang lebih advance lah. Cuma kita akan sentuh sedikit saja mengenai Microbit. So sekarang ni typekan Microbit. So Microbit, dia akan keluar kat sini Microbit. Dia ada dua, satu Microbit dan satu lagi Microbit with breakout board. Tapi kita akan ambil yang Microbit punya ni, yang basic punya. So kita boleh namakan dia Microbit. Okay. Okay. So untuk Microbit ni kita perlu menggunakan kod untuk operatekan dia. So kita klik dekat kod, so dia akan keluar this code. Sebab dia adalah microprocessor. Okay. So kita perlukan kod untuk dia mengeluarkan kita bagi arahan dan dia keluarkan output seperti yang kita tulislah. Okay. So first kita buang dulu semua instruction ni. So ini yang warna kuning ini adalah input kita. So first yang kita nak buat adalah klik dekat basic. So then drag dia punya logo ya, pilih on button. Okay, tarik dia ke sebelah kanan. Okay, on button ni bermaksud kita ada 3 button. Satu button A, yang ni button A. This one is button B. Yang di atas ni ada button AB. Okay, so on button A press bermaksud kalau kita tekan button A ni, dia akan jadi apa? So ni adalah input kita. So output kita nak dia keluarkan show string hello. Okay, just masukkan dia punya block code dekat sini. So dekat sini kita boleh tukar apa yang kita nak suruh dia display dekat dekat LED ni. So let's say adik-adik boleh tulis ikut adik-adik punya ni lah, intention lah. So sekarang ni macam saya tulis kat sini, selamat happy IEEE Day 2021. Okay. So bila dah tulis ni, kita tengok apa yang dia akan keluar dekat sini. Kita start the simulation. Okay, start the simulation dan kita perlu tekan button A. So dia akan keluar apa yang kita tulis. Ini adalah konsep mudah untuk buat programming. Later Dr. Liza akan tunjuk dengan lebih detail sikit lah macam mana kita, kalau ini actual case, kita yang programming ni, or the code ni, kita perlu masukkan dia ke dalam memori yang ada dalam microprocessor ni supaya dia keluar. Tapi dalam Tinkercad ni dia automatically put all the code apabila kita tekan start the simulation lah. Okay. So now bila kita tekan ni, dia akan keluar apa yang kita tulis. So kita stop. Dan next, apa yang kita nak buat adalah kita masukkan lagi sekali on button A ni. Button A ni kita boleh tukar kepada button B. Okay. So apa yang kita nak buat? Kita nak dia lakukan apabila kita tekan button B. Okay, button B kat sini. So yang button B ni kita boleh suruh dia keluarkan LED. Okay, kita tarik je ni. Show LED ni dan masukkan dia ke dalam slot ni. Okay. So kita boleh okay, let's say kita nak suruh dia keluarkan smiling face. So kita lukis smiling face. Okay. Ataupun okay, adik boleh design ikut creativity masing-masing lah. Okay. So now kita tengok apa yang jadi. Kita tekan start simulation. Okay. Kita tekan B. Sekarang ni yang B kan. Ni button B. So tekan B. Dia akan keluar ikut arahan yang kita dah setkan lah. Okay. So kita stop simulation. And then next. Okay. Kita ambil lagi satu. On button. Dan kita letak A plus B. So next apa yang kita nak suruh dia buat. Okay. Kita nak minta dia show icon. Okay. So icon ni kita boleh pilih. Icon ni apa? Kita nak dia senyum. Okay, love. Right, X and then arrow lah. So ni kita pilih love. Then kita tekan start the simulation. The button A plus B akan muncul kat sini. So you can click the button. The symbol will be displayed on the LED.
Dr Hazian ada chat, can slow down a bit.
Okay, sorry. Okay, let me start again lah. Okay, you can just remove this one. Okay. Tadi yang pertama kan, on the button. Pertama sekali kita cari yang warna orange ni. Okay. Kita cari on button. Okay. Klik, left click pada on button ni dan kita drag, bawa dia ke sebelah kanan. Okay. So yang apa yang kita nampak kat sini adalah drop down button ni kita boleh tengok dia ada A, B, A plus B. Okay, so untuk yang pertama ni kita pilih A. Okay, ni adalah input dia. So output dia kita nak suruh dia buat apa? Okay, output dia kita nak suruh dia show number. Jadi kita letak show number. Okay, show number kita nak letak nombor berapa? 2021. Okay. Boleh Alright. So, kita tengok apa yang jadi. Kita boleh tutup kod ni untuk tengok lebih jelas lah. Kita start simulation. Okay. Sebab yang tadi kita letak A kan. So, kita tekan A. So, dia akan keluar 2021. Okay. Kita stop the simulation. So kita tambah dia punya function lagi. Kita panggil input yang sama iaitu on button. Okay. Tapi kali ini kita tukar on button A ni kepada B. Alright. Alright. Then kita go to show LED. Sekarang ni kita nak minta dia buat something on the LED. So kita letak dekat sini. Okay. So adik-adik boleh lukis apa yang dia nak. Okay. Okay. Dia boleh pilih semua semua kotak ni kita boleh warnakan. Okay. Kita boleh highlight kan apa yang kita nak. So kalau yang kita highlightkan tu dia akan keluar dekat sini lah, dekat LED ni. Okay, so kita try tengok apa yang dia ni. Kita start the simulation, kita tekan A, so dia akan keluar nombor 2021 yang kita masukkan ni. Bila kita tekan B, so dia akan keluar image yang kita highlight sini lah. Alright. Okay, next kita stop the simulation, then kita panggil lagi satu on button. Okay, then you pilih A plus B. Maknanya kita seolah-olahnya kita tekan button A dan B ni secara serentak. Okay, so kita nak minta dia keluarkan apa ni, face. Okay, kita boleh pilih bentuk apa yang kita nak. Okay. Alright, so kita start the simulation. Okay, then kita akan nampak button A, B. Maknanya kalau dalam web apa ni, the workspace ni kita tak mungkin dapat tekan A dan B ni serentak. So dia akan keluarkan satu button yang dia dah simulatekan untuk A dan B secara serentak lah. So kita just klik saja. So dia akan keluar this face saja. Seperti yang kita inputkan dekat sini. Sebenarnya Microbit ni boleh buat macam-macam benda lah. Later Dr. Guard akan show how to ni lah, untuk get more apa ni, functionality of the Microbit. Okay. So macam mana? Semua okey kan?
Okay, adik-adik semua faham ya? Dr. Hazian dah ajar 3 circuit menggunakan Tinkercad ya?
Faham.
Okay. So kalau ada yang tak faham juga jangan bimbang, nanti kami akan share recording dalam grup dan juga pada siapa yang daftar lah, nanti ada link kan untuk daftar. Jadi kami akan share lah recording version ni dan boleh ulang semula. Ya Dr. Hazian?
Ya betul. Adik-adik boleh try your creativity lah to change macam change the component apa ni, all the thing. Benda ni jangan risau, dia tak akan meletup. Kita apa ni, paling tinggi pun dia tak akan keluar ada output lah, dia tak akan nyala, dia tak akan pusing. Banyaklah function yang adik boleh cuba dalam ni. Dia ada motor, more advanced apa ni, komponen pun ada dalam ni, macam-macam ada boleh pilih. So boleh try. Tapi make sure pilih all the ni lah, komponen lah. Kalau basic nanti dia tak keluar semua. Okay. Dia ada macam-macam gas sensor yang lebih advance. So better adik fahamkan dulu basic.
Cikgu.
Ya.
Apa yang kat Microbit tu bila start simulation ada 3D model daripada Microbit tu.
Sekejap saya buka kan.
I was helping Daddy. Okay, so bila start simulation, benda kat bawah kan?
Oh ni bawah ni, sorry, ni yang ni Oh okay, yang ni bila kita klik kod ni sebenarnya dia ada banyak lagi function yang advance lah. So dekat sini, sekejap saya cari dia punya. Ni dia ada temperature, kompas. Maknanya sekarang ni ni adalah temperature. Maknanya sekarang ni kalau kita pergi kepada litar yang lebih advance, kalau adik-adik dah mahir asas litar ni, Microbit ni, apa dia punya basic instruction dia. So bila adik dah faham yang tu, adik-adik boleh pergi kepada more advanced, which is adik-adik boleh control temperature ni. Let's say kata adik sambungkan apa ni, nampak ni 0, 1, 2, 3 ground semua ni kan, kepada output dia kipas. Okay. Kalau sekarang ni kita kita apa ni, dekat kod ni kita setkan dia punya temperature. Temperature ni kita takkan kalau 25 degree dia akan mana dekat sini. Dia kat sini lah. Dia akan apa ni? Dia akan turn on the kipas yang kita ada kat sini lah. Begitu juga dengan ni. Yang ni adalah cahaya. Maknanya kalau adik buat program berkenaan dengan apa ni, lampu, so kita boleh setkan lampu ni bila malam, Lita ni akan onkan lampu. Okey. Dan yang ni adalah Microbit ni. Ini dia simulate kat sini. Mana Microbit ni kalau kita buat apa ni, kita goncangkan dia akan feedbackkan apa. Sama juga kalau kita drop. Maknanya Microbit ni akan bertindak, akan mengeluarkan arahan berdasarkan kita punya feedback lah. Ni kita getarkan dia. Yang ni lebih dalam kelas yang lebih advance lah. Kalau dalam masa setengah jam ni mungkin tak sempat lah nak ajar adik-adik berkenaan dengan ni. Lagipun kita sepatutnya fahamkan dulu yang basicnya, dan yang kemudian kita akan lebih mudah untuk buat data yang lebih apa ni, lebih advance lah. Tunggu Dr. Aliza dan Dr. Gad bagi yang lebih detail berkenaan Microbit. Okay? Okay lah. Alright, so Dr. Susie, saya rasa itu sajalah daripada saya.
Okay, alright. Terima kasih Dr. Hazian.
So,
harap semua boleh faham lah ya. Kalau tak faham tak apa, nanti akan ada recording. Boleh rujuk pada recording juga. Okay, so sekarang ni kita pergi pada instruktor yang kedua, iaitu Dr. Aliza Aini Muhammad Ralib. So saya nak baca biografi sikit lah dalam bahasa Inggeris. She obtained her Bachelor of Engineering in Computer and Information Engineering from International Islamic University Malaysia in 2006. Both her Masters and PhD is also from IIUM in Electronics Engineering. And she was previously working in Intel Microelectronics Malaysia as a layout design engineer from 2006 to 2009. And from 2009 to 2016, she's a research assistant at Uni10 and also at IIUM. And since 2016, she is an assistant professor with the Electrical and Computer Engineering Department, International Islamic University Malaysia. So her research interest is in MEMS, CMOS MEMS acoustic wave resonator, electroacoustic sensor, piezoelectric thin film, and also MEMS piezoelectric energy harvesting. So she has published her work both locally and internationally in more than 40 papers in journals and proceedings in international and also locally. So Dr. Aliza, she is our executive committee in IEEE Electron Devices Malaysia chapter since 2017, and now she's in education portfolio. So she's involved in many STEM activities, and she is now a MySTEM ambassador, all right? And also she received the IEEE R10 New Innovation Challenge in 2020. Is entitled Bringing STEM to Life with Teachers at Sekolah Kebangsaan Lelaki Jalan Batu, one of the underprivileged schools selected under Sekolahku Universitiku program. And also in 2021, she has been appointed as committee for IEEE Region 10 in educational activities. So, Dr. Aliza, persilakan untuk ajar anak-anak hari ini tentang Microbit. Dipersilakan, Dr. Aliza.
Okay, terima kasih Dr. Susie for a very kind introduction. So, Assalamualaikum to everyone and good morning. It's already good, already lunch kan? So, all of you are here. Are you still excited to learn? Kalau excited boleh guna reaction there. Ada excited ke, macam dah lapar ke? So let me share my screen. Okay, 1 minute. Share. Okay, boleh nampak screen saya tak? Everyone, can you see my screen?
Boleh nampak.
So, okay. So, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, as apa yang Dr. Hazian dah explain tadi is about Tinkercad, right? So, now we're moving to the second part. Is about Microbit. So, one of the flow yang akan saya explain kepada adik-adik semua is apa itu Microbit, So kita akan buat 3 demonstration dan saya akan tunjuk some video that relate to the Microbit project and a bit about dry engineering. Okay, about this Microbit, actually dekat satu dunia ni, memang ramai sangat tengah belajar Microbit. So for you to come here untuk korbankan hari Ahad pagi kan, selalu Ahad pagi nak tengok kartun ke, nak keluar berjalan dengan parent ke, right? But you choose to be here. So congratulations, you are here to learn what is actually Microbit, dan kita akan ada some fun learning macam mana nak code guna Microbit. So just a bit explanation, apa tu Microbit? Okay, as apa yang adik dah buat tadi, Microbit tu Dr. Hazian kata macam microprocessor kan. So dia macam komputer kecil, a pocket size komputer yang you can explore endlessly. Awak nak buat apa je, nak buat sama nak control kipas ke, nak control lampu ke, nak buat some communication antara satu device to another device ke. So everything Microbit ni boleh buat. So dia macam komputer tapi komputer kecil. So dia ada input, dia ada output. Tadi kan Dr. Hazian dah tunjukkan yang ada berapa button dekat Microbit. Dia ada A, B, right? A dengan B. Dan dia ada LED display. So yang tadi yang ada nyala-nyala dekat string tu adalah dia punya display lah. Awak boleh buat lah hello IEEE ke, bagi salam ke, hello world ke kan. So ada 25 display kat situ. So you can do almost everything. So yang ni yang seronoknya about Microbit. So it's about coding. So saya tahu kalau adik-adik maybe pernah belajar kat sekolah, maybe ada yang darjah 4 ke yang ada belajar RBT kan. So ada about coding, macam-macam, ada C, C++. So Microbit ni dia guna coding Python, okay. So yang ni yang adik-adik tengok tadi, dekat Microbit tu dia ada 4 pin. So bila kita nak connect circuit, kita kena ada power supply dan kita kena ada satu ground. Dia tak boleh ada power supply je, dia tak ground kan. So bila kita tengok situ power supply-nya kita kena connect-nya dengan bateri lah. Kalau siapa yang dah beli Microbit dekat Electron, okay. So dan kita kena groundkan dia. Dan 4 pin ni kita akan connect lah. Kalau kan kita nak shakekan dia ke, kita nak sambung dengan melodi ke. So in the real hardware nanti lepas ni Dr. Gaddafi akan tunjuk. So there is some connection lah. So button dia ada 2, satu belah kiri A, the right one is button B, and in the middle here is the LED light. So this one yang awak boleh you can display lah, you want to display hello world ke, assalamualaikum, whatever display. But what control this Microbit is the processor. Processor ni kalau kita cakap macam brain, kita manusia kan ada brain kan to think. So bila pasal komputer ni is there is some processor inside here is that integrated circuit design, dia chip yang membuatkan kita boleh control semua benda, okay. Dan kat atas tu ada battery socket. So bila kita nak run apa-apa electronic circuit, kita kena ada power, okay. Okay, so macam mana flow nak guna Microbit ni? So for those yang tak beli lagi Microbit, you can start to learn melalui simulation lah. So saya akan tunjukkan how to do the simulation. So that's what we call program. Kita codekan dia. Kita nak command dia macam mana. Kita nak display hard love ke, kita nak display assalamualaikum ke kan. So dia guna web based je. So tadi Dr. Hazian kata Tinkercad, saya akan tunjukkan adik-adik semua different software lah. So lepas kita dah code, kita kena download coding tu guna hex file. So I think this one Dr. Gaddafi akan tunjuk lepas ni. Dan kita just transfer je dekat dalam Microbit kita yang hardware tu dan dia boleh run as usual, okay. So for my part is how to code, okay. So untuk code ni dia ada banyak cara. So tadi Dr. Hazian tunjuk Tinkercad kan yang adik-adik belajar tadi is one of the software lah yang adik-adik boleh guna. But if you go through this one ni pun boleh juga, nama dia scratch.mit.edu. So semua ni web based je, tak payah beli, tak payah apa, dia semua open source, okay, scratch based. So adik-adik boleh explore lepas ni. So the one that I'm going to focus on is Microbit lah, microbit.org. So kita akan belajar in detail lah pasal ni. And ni yang Dr. Hazian ajar tadi, yang adik-adik display hello IEEE kan. So adik masukkan input A, so ni is another. So dia bukan Tinkercad je dia boleh guna untuk Microbit ni, dia ada 3 software, okay. So now I'll show to you the demonstration. Okay, let me open my Microbit. Okay. Okay, so adik-adik boleh goes to makecode.microbit.org. Okay, saya akan copy ni letak dekat chat box. Okay. So kalau semua dah buka, maybe boleh tekan emoji ke, tanda tulis done ke dekat situ, dan kita akan proceed. So ni just a website je, makecode.microbit.org. Okay. So how to start? Inside this website dia ada a lot of tutorial. So it's just a matter how far we are going to explore, right? So how to start? Just go to the for this one, you no need to log in. So whatever that the coding that you have run, apa-apa coding yang adik-adik dah buat, dia akan save je kat dalam. Means kalau komputer lain, benda yang apa yang dah save tak adalah. Dia akan save dekat cache memory. So tak payah log in, terus je new project. Okay. So let's say demo 1. Demo 1. So ni adik-adik boleh namakan apa-apa je lah. Demo 1. Kalau saya laju sangat, bagi tahu saya stop. So far boleh follow ke semua? Dah buka tak website? makecode.org. So far okay ke semua? Yes. Okay, thank you Ma.
Kita follow apa cikgu cakap?
Tak, adik dah buka website ni tak? makecode.micro. Okay, dah tekan new project tak? Dah, okay, good. Okay, sekarang nampak tak? Ada Microbit belah kiri. So dia lain sikit dengan yang secretariat tu, tapi dia punya command dia sama je. Okay. Dan dekat kiri ni, kat tengah ni yang kita coding dia. So coding dia kalau adik-adik tekan kat basic, kita ada lah nampak show number ke, show LED ke, right? Ni yang samalah dengan Dr Hazian show string ke. And also adik-adik boleh show arrow. Okay. So dekat input ni is bila kita nak run command, kita kena bagi input, kita kena bagi instruction dekat komputer ni suruh buat ni. So kat situ kita pergi kat purple color ni, input. So input ni boleh on button ke, on shake and so on. So let's start. So bila kita kata forever ni, so dia akan run benda tu forever. So let's say kita letak show icon, pergi kat basic, pergi kat show icon yang biru ni, just drag. Kalau terlebih drag, nak delete macam mana? Tarik je. Senang kan? Okay. Tarik je, escape. Okay. Ataupun tekan delete. Okay. So, apa yang dia buat ni? Forever show icon. So, apa yang dia buat? Adik-adik boleh display kat sini. Katakan yang ni saya stop dulu kan. Bila stop, maksudnya dia tak run lah. So, macam nak run, adik tekan ada button triangle. Just click at say start the simulator. So, you just start. And then forever dia akan keluarkan heart shape ni. Okay. Katakan saya nak tukar, I don't want the heart shape, I want the square. So when I forever, it will change to the shape. So apa yang ada kat tengah ni is LED. LED yang 5 darab 5 lah. 5 darab. So it will follow the command. So when you put the command forever, bila awak letak command forever, adik-adik boleh nampak square shape. So far, okay ke semua? Yang ni faham tak? Kalau ada soalan boleh tanya. Adik Umar, okay ke? Okay, so now let's see. Other than forever. Okay, so if you want now, you want to insert music. So let's say I put here. Still forever kan? Forever, show icon, rectangle, and then it will start melody, da-da-dum. Okay, how to stop? Okay, let me stop first. Okay. So kat mana nak cari start melody ni? Pergi kat music. So ada macam-macam lah kat sini. Ada play melody, you want to make your own music, you want to increase the tempo kan? Set volume, ataupun nak pakai je melody yang dah ada lah. So inside that melody, adik-adik tekan kat sini. It can be once ke, it can be forever. So I just make it forever. And lagu tu pun boleh tukar. Ada nak buat lagu birthday ke, katakan esok birthday mak ayah ke kan. So ada tak lagu birthday lain? Okay, lagu birthday. Okay, and then you want to make a heart saying that adik-adik saya mak ayah. So katakan letak kat sini. Happy birthday Mama, okay. And then you just click here. play, tekan yang dekat triangle ni, tekan play. And then after it finish, you will go, wait, once. Oh, I didn't make the sound. Can you hear the sound? No. It's not working. Let me try again. Show string, music, and then play melody. Let's say play melody first. Okay. And then we just click forever. Maybe I don't choose forever. Okay, let me try again. If I make it on button A, okay. So if on button A, I want to make it play melody. Yes. Any question? Sekejap. So this one you can make sound 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can make any sound, okay? And then I make it run again. Tekan kat sini.
Teacher.
Yes. Yes.
How do I put forever inside on button A?
No, you delete the forever. Just now I think the forever is not working. Okay, sekarang buat balik. Kita buat balik sama-sama. Okay, pergi kat basic. Pergi kat input. So sekarang we want to make button. Kita nak guna button. Okay, pergi kat purple ni on button. Okay, so adik-adik boleh choose. You can choose either you want to A, B or A plus B. So let's say kita pilih A plus B. Okay. And then you want to make a song, right? So put melody. Where you can find melody? Pergi kat music. Go to the play melody. And then just drag there. Okay? Boleh follow? Siapa tanya tadi? Amir.
Okay.
Okay. So now you can make any melody. Whether you want to make melody like this or you want to make melody like this. You can hear the sound, right? From my side. Boleh dengar tak sound?
Okay, boleh dengar.
Okay, so play melody. Let's say you want to play melody and then you put your input. Let's say you want to make a digital card for your mom, maybe, right? So then you put basic, show string, and then say happy birthday, mama. So let's see whether this is working or not. Let me try. Okay. And then, so the command will start when we press A plus B. Just now kita cakap A plus B baru dia akan run kan? So dia akan lagu dulu. Lepas tu baru dia display. Happy birthday mama. Okay. So cuba adik-adik try. Okay tak? So if you want to see the coding again, I'll show here. So if I change this to A only, right? A only. So what with the coding tu? So coding ni, display ni you can make it zoom. Zoom is like launch in full screen, or you can just only see here lah. See here, okay? So bila kita tekan play, okay, play tu maksudnya dia dah berwarna lah. It's change the color. Okay, so now tadi A plus B kan? So sekarang tekan A plus A only. We will make the sound first and then display all the happy birthday mama. Okay. So boleh buat tak adik-adik? Ada soalan tak? For the first part. Semua boleh follow ke? Adik Umar okay? Okay. So now let's continue to the second part. Okay, let me open my slide back. Okay, so that's introduction for the microbit. So if you see kat sini dia ada flashing heart. So whatever design that you want to make, it is customized, it's endless. You want to make smiley button, press button A, they keluar smile, right? Or you want to put your name, and name your name is Umar. Hi Umar, and then just play around on the 25 lights key. So that is what we call block programming. So behind the block, actually the coding is not block. So why they make block to untuk adik-adik sedang belajar lah. Tapi bila adik-adik dah maybe lagi dah sekolah menengah, adik dah masuk universiti, so the coding is actually the text based. So nama text based dia is Python. So This is what Python do. Tadi tu adik-adik tengok block kan, on start ke, forever ke, show LED ke, right? So bila adik-adik pun boleh tengok dia punya line by line lah. So this is what we call Python language. So coding ni ada bahasa-bahasa dia. So ada bahasa C, C++, Java. So one of yang Microbit ni guna is nama dia macam nama ular kan, Python. So adik boleh
How do you do that?
apa dia dik?
How do you get the
Okay, I will show you. Kejap very good. Okay, how do we got that? So let me share back my screen. Okay, tadi just now you already code block kan? Okay, macam mana nak pergi kat text tu? Go to the upper side and then ada nampak tak Python kat sini? So just click that one.
Yes, but it's called JS.
JS, or you can, okay. If you can see the Python, can you see the arrow down here? Then you have Java, JS is Java, and then you click Python, okay? Dapat kan? Okay. So Python is the one that this is a very macam demanding language lah. Sekarang kalau kat universiti, kalau macam siapa engineering nak kerja, reti Python tak? So semua orang akan tanya, okay, siapa yang Python ni will be high demand lah. So adik-adik ni sekolah rendah lagi dah explore, so you are the future engineers lah. So this is the coding yang adik-adik akan tengok nanti bila adik-adik interested nak ambil engineering lah. Okay, so this is macam line by line. So for the first start, the coding is say button press, dia macam bahasa kita jugalah. Kita press A, dia akan keluar music. So this is a melody kan, melody tempo dia 120. Then dia akan show icon. So the command is basic.show underscore icon and basic.show string happy birthday mama. And then what is the input? Input is A. Okay. Yang blue ni dia punya command line lah. Command line yang color ni the one that kita put input. So this is Python lah. Okay. So when we do coding, so I go back to block block. This is a good practice kalau adik-adik macam katakan adik-adik dah explore banyak kan. So adik-adik macam banyak block kat dalam ni. It's a good practice kalau adik-adik boleh letak komen lah. So just pergi kat right click. Adik-adik add comment. Dan cakap this is coding for button A. Button A. Why this comment is important? So let's say you maybe in the next year you have explored a lot on this microbit kan. So adik-adik akan ada banyak block. First block, second block, third block, full of block here. So this comment will help you. Oh, this block is about what? This is coding for button A. Tapi bila kita tengok kat Python balik, nanti dia akan keluar comment. This is the one that yang in front tu start dengan hashtag, nama dia comment. Comment ni dia tak akan run. Dia akan run yang line 3 ni sampai line 7 je. Line 1 ni bila kita letak hashtag dia tak akan run. Kenapa kita nak letak command ni? Kadang-kadang coding kita kan macam ada 40 line, 30 line kan. So line ni command line ni membantulah untuk kita faham coding kita. Kerana bahasa coding tu difficult to understand, right? So it's a good practice kalau adik boleh letaklah komen-komen tu. Okay? So this will be the first part. Okay, so far okay? Everyone boleh follow? Kalau boleh follow, boleh go to your ni, letak emoji ke, letak yes ke dekat chat box. Boleh cikgu. Thank you Yashani for your response. Okay, so let's move to the next demo. Okay, so we move to the more advanced one. Okay, now you already learned the basic one. So this is I just give you these 3. So this is the one that ni lah platform yang awak akan buat coding. Kat sini is all the input. Okay, and this is the output lah you're going to display. Okay, after your coding has finished, macam mana nak masukkan kat hardware? Let's say nanti lepas ni kalau siapa yang dah ada boleh try, siapa yang belum ada boleh beli. So macam mana nak masuk kat hardware Microbit tu? You just need to download lah. Tekan download ni dan dia akan download namanya .hex. .hex file tu kena masuk kat Microbit baru dia boleh display kat hardware lah. So yang tu Dr Gaddafi akan tunjuk lah lepas ni. Okay? Okay, so now kita move to the more a bit advanced. Tadi just tekan-tekan button dia show string kan. So kita tengok video ni. Kita akan buat a bit macam reverse engineering sikit. Kita nak output macam ni, macam mana kita nak code. Okay, so let's see the video. Okay. Okay, what can you see from the video?
Song is following the words.
Yeah, the song is following the word. But how the word goes out? I press button what? Button A ke B ke A plus B? I pray again. Okay, I press button A ke B or A plus B?
A plus B. So when
Yes.
A plus B, then A and B will play together.
InsyaAllah, very good. Siapa nama, may I know your name?
Iman.
Iman, thank you Iman. Very good. Okay, so ni kita buat reverse belajar. Kita nak code macam tu. When we press button A plus B, dia akan display apa ni? What it display is actually hello, HELLO, microbit. Okay, so now let's see the second part. Okay, now I stop kan? Okay, now what is doing?
Aliza, there's somebody raise hand.
Somebody is?
Sekejap Sai Anchana.
Is it in chat box? Dr. Susie?
Just now I saw. Sai Anchana, you have a question?
Sanchina, you have a question? Or you raise hand Sanchina, any question?
Sorry, I accidentally pressed it.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem.
Right. Okay.
No problem. Okay, so now, okay, I repeat again. Okay, part 2. Just now display kan, A plus B, dia akan display. Okay, now part 2. You look at the mouse. Okay, ini display tu. Okay, what is he doing? What happened actually just now? Anyone can explain? Any volunteers? If I click again.
Put there a countdown and then a love and then a buy.
Yeah, the button that I click is A, B or shake button?
Shake.
Shake, right? Okay, when I press shake, it will display 3 and then there's sound. I press shake again, it will display another number. So last one, when I press shake, it will display 1. Okay, so how are we going to code that? How are we going to code that? Okay, now let's start the coding. Okay, give me 1 minute. Okay, so what you need to do now is just now A plus B dia akan keluar some message kan. So this one is the same like before. So now what should I click here? A, B or A plus B according to the video just now. Who can remember to display the word? Yes, correct. A plus B. Okay. So the word that I display just now is hello microbit. Hello microbit. Okay. Hello microbit, and then I'm making the sound. So you can see here start melody. So any sound, entertainer, forever in the background. Okay. So let's try to debug. So when you do coding, kita tak buat semua coding serentak. We do part by part. So to see whether our code works kan. So that's how the programmer they do part by part. So let's say we play. So I need to press A, B or A plus B. A plus B, and then we will display hello microbit. Okay. Okay, so this is just the same as before. So I pause. Okay. Why it didn't stop? Because we put forever. Kalau kita put once, dia once je lah keluar. When we put forever, dia forever. Okay, part B. Tadi if I press shake, so kat mana shake tu? Where is the shake? You go to the purple and then go to the on shake. So inside the on shake ni, remember just now Dr Hazian shows dekat Tinkercad kan, dia ada when we drop means this free fall 3G, 6G, 8G, when we make logo up, logo down, so you can customize. So untuk for today kita belajar on shake lah, on shake. So on shake means you shake this microbit. You can see kalau awak transfer dekat microbit real lah. So kat sini kita just tekan button lah kan. On shake button, what will happen? Okay, now we will introduce variable. Okay, apa tu variable? Variable, go to this one, bawah logik ni ada tekan make variable. So let's say the variable ni you put number. Or awak adik-adik boleh letak nama apa-apa je. So katakan I'll put the number. Okay. So the variable we say number, set number, change number. Okay. So what you need to do now is you go to the set number, put inside. Okay. Yang ni boleh follow tak? Is there any question? Do you want me to repeat? Or can I proceed? Boleh sambung ke? Macam mana? Okay tak adik-adik? Boleh. Okay, good. Okay, now on shake set number, right? Tapi bila kita tekan on shake tadi, dia macam random kan? Tekan maybe will display 3, another press, another shake will be display 2. So we need to put what we call random. So where is the function random? Pergi kat input. Also if you can't find, you can search from here. Ada search button kat atas, tekan je random. Random, so yang pick random. So pick random, you put it inside. Pick random. I repeat, pergi kat sini, search button. Pilih yang bulat ni, bukan yang true false. Yang bulat warna purple ni, just drag, masuk. How to put in? You can see the red circle, right? Put inside. Okay, so we don't want to random until 10. Kita nak macam 0, 1, 2, 3 je. Only 3 are randomized. So we put here 3. Okay. So maksudnya when we shake, dia start to make random number. So what happen when this random number? Just now bila we shake one, shake sekali keluar 1, shake second time keluar 2, right? So we need to put what is the called condition. This is here inside the logic. So dekat dalam coding ni kita banyak pakai if else ni. Apa maksud if else? Katakan saya buat analogi if adik-adik tak makan, adik lapar. Else kalau makan, adik tak lapar, right? So samalah macam ni. So if something you go, else we go something else. So kita put it here. Okay. So what is the condition yang kita nak letak ni kat sini? If random number equal 1, dia akan display apa? So dekat true ni kita akan tukar something. So means we need to put the condition, right? The condition here. Yang if tadi jumpa tak? Adik-adik boleh follow tak? If tu kat mana? Saya ulang balik. If tu pergi kat logic, adik-adik ambil yang nombor 1 ni. If true ni. Okay. So tapi apa conditionnya? Kita nak cakap apa? Kita nak cakap kalau 1 dia keluar apa kan? So we need to put what we call not maths. Okay, sorry. We need to put a maths expression here, comparison. So tadi kan adik pergi kat if kan? So adik go down, go to the comparison. You select the first one. You put inside the if. Put inside the if. Okay. So apa is condition we need to put here? If number equal to 1. So number tu warna merah kan? Pergi kat variable balik. Ambil number, masuk kat sini. So if number equal to 1, okay, yang ni adik boleh. Adik nak display apa? Katakan if number equal to 1, adik nak buat show icon heart. Show icon heart. And adik nak ada music kan? So music letak kat music. Adik just pilih lah. Like this. Okay. Yes, like this. So this is one condition. So let's say kalau saya buat 2 je lah. 2. Okay. 0, 1, 2. So if number equal to 1, kalau bila kita tekan shake button, if number equal to 1, dia akan display heart dan dia akan play melody dadadum. Else, tadi kan kalau lapar makan. Kalau tak lapar, apa jadi? So kita kena tambah else lah kat sini. Else, so else tu, just click plus. So repeat the same. Else, condition number equal to 2, what will happen? So I just repeat again. So where is the square here? If, sorry. You go to the logic again. Else, right? Else, if number equal to 2. So macam mana nak buat number equal to 2 tu? Kita kena compare kan? So kena compare, kita pergi dekat sini, masuk kat sini. Tapi apa yang kita nak compare? Kita nak compare the number. Number tu is variable. So just masuk kat sini. So number ni change to 2. Okay. So far boleh pun follow tak adik-adik? Is it too difficult? So
Diam je semua
Hanani okay? Okay, one
Okay.
respond. Okay.
Okay, Hanani is okay.
Okay.
Alright.
It's a bit, yeah, this is coding lah. So yang simple yang atas tadi, so we go to a bit more advanced. Tak apa, nanti we share the recording dan ada boleh follow. So konsep dia macam ni. Kalau number tu 1, dia keluar had. Kalau number 2, kita ada nak keluarkan apa? Kita ada nak keluarkan something kan. So dia nak keluar gambar ni. Okay. So kita try buat dulu.
Ada Yasmin Dalisha mention dalam chat. Can you repeat the number equals?
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
so how do we activate the on free fall?
Oh, on free fall, I didn't explore yet here. I think, yeah, you just click here on free fall and then
How do we activate the coding from the on free fall?
you just change here. So mean jadi just now I make it shake, right? On shake. So bila kita run tadi, shake button and then it will display this one lah. Tapi kalau adik tak nak on shake, you just go here on free fall and then somewhere here it will fall, simulate by falling, and then it will display this command.
Right.
Okay. We try shake first. Kita try shake first. Free fall ni dia advance sikit. Okay, I think let me answer one question. Can you repeat the number, the condition in how to say? Okay, I delete first, then we.
Wait, but why is it not free falling?
Free falling. I didn't explore yet the free falling. Okay, let me do this one first. Okay tak? Kita buat ni dulu On shake. Okay. Pergi kat variable. If you don't have this one right, you type any variable. Let's say you want to have hand, right? So pergi kat set hand, okay. To what? So kita nak buat random number kan? Random 0, 1, 2, 3. So kat mana nak check random tu? If you don't know how to find below, just type random. Random, go inside here. For now, Yasmin boleh follow tak? Yasmin, can you follow? Yasmin? Okay. So from here, if kalau hand tu, okay. So if kita nak buat a condition kan, katakan ni we change tu lah 0, 1, 2, let's see, right? If hand ni equal to 1, so macam mana nak masuk hand tu equal to 1? Kita nak kena compare kan, we need to compare. So pergi kat biru ni, tekan compare, masuk kat dalam ni. It's like you learn maths lah. If 1, is it more than 1, less than 1, equal to 1? So now kita nak tengok, is it apple to apple? So now sekarang, apa yang kita nak compare? Kita nak compare, adakah hand tu sama dengan 1, apa jadi? So, apa kat kosong ni? We put the variable lah. Tadi kita set hand kan? So I put the hand inside. Sorry. It should be, hand. You need to make sure hand ni kita nak compare dengan apa? If hand equal to 1, apa jadi? If hand equal to 1, we will show this. Okay. Else, if, else, apa jadi? Ni hand 1 jadi shape heart kan? Kalau hand 2 jadi apa? So pergi kat logic, not logic, if lagi, okay. So kita nak compare yang second pula. If compare, you put compare inside. Apa yang kita nak compare? Tadi hand equal 1, dia keluar heart. Hand equal to jadi apa pula? Okay, so hand equal to, we put it hand inside, become 2, and then it will display. You want to display what? You want to display, let's say, this triangle. Okay, so let's try to simulate this one. Apa jadi? Run. Okay, on shake. So on shake ni dekat atas. So you press on shake. So now bila jadi macam ni is actually hand equal to 1 ke hand equal to 2? Sekarang dia keluar hard. Is it hand equal to 1 or hand equal to 2? Anyone would like to answer? 1 ke 2? 1, right? 1. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, now if I press again, so maybe because this is random kan? Random. So now I press again. Okay, I press again. Now, it become hand equal to 1 or hand equal to 2? Tadi 1. Yang ni dia ada 2, right? Yeah. So that's if else the function lah. Kalau hand tu 1, dia keluar heart. Kalau hand tu 2, dia keluar triangle. Okay. So you also can insert melody. So let's say you want to put melody here. Right. So you want to put 1, 2, 3, then. So let me run again. Okay. Play again. Okay, now I press on shake. On shake, if hand equal to 2, no sound, right? But if hand equal to 1, there is a sound. Okay? So awak boleh put apa-apa je. Nak put melody ke, nak put another string ke. So let's say you want to put another string, use this one, string. So this is the concept of kalau kita nak buat tekan shake button lah. So maybe I think awak semua pernah main yang rock paper scissors kan? Rock dia keluar apa? Paper scissors. So they use what the function of random number. Okay.
Teacher.
Yes.
Why is my code there's no color?
Your code there is no color. Can you you don't have any color, purple, red?
No, they're just square lines by going to the left and right.
Left and right. So
they're like transparent.
oh, when it is transparent means let me show something. Like this, right?
Yes.
Your code is like this. Okay. You delete first. Ni you delete. How to delete? Just drag pergi kat tengah ni. Delete.
No, by my whole code that I just followed this now is transparent.
Oh, maybe you can try again. Just delete first. It should be okay. I'm also not sure why. Let me try. If it is alone like this, it will be transparent. But if you make with the condition, macam ni kan, on button, you put it inside, it will be color. If you don't put, if you see dia ada shape kan, ini ada macam bengkok-bengkok sikit. So if it will only goes in means yang ni dia boleh fit lah. If you put another coding, let's say this one and this one. This one and this one cannot be fit together kan, dia tak boleh masuk dalam tu kan. So means dia tak boleh working. So kalau awak buat stand alone macam ni, it will be no color lah macam ni. So you need to make sure it fit together. But in order to fit together, maybe you don't have the on shape. Okay?
Wait, no, I put another new on shape and then it got to color for like 2 seconds.
And then it gone.
Then it got to transparent again.
Oh, maybe you can try go back on shape. Press on shape again. Okay. And then you drag your command yang dah buat tadi tu masuk kat on shape.
On shape has become transparent.
Like this, right? It become transparent like this,
Yes, when I do a new on shape.
Maybe you have 2 on shape. So
yes, I have 2 on shape.
You need to delete one. If you have 2 on shape in the same command, same interface ni, delete satu. Delete satu and then it will be back to normal. Try to delete. Okay? Now it's okay?
Yes, it works.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay, how about the rest? Yasmin, okay? So let me show again the coding. Okay, you can display here. Okay, and then you play. Okay, you press on, is it okay now? Yeah. Oh, I didn't put here. Okay. This one, right? On shake button. And then, I forgot to show you another command. Okay, this is what we call yang ada macam spider ni. Adik boleh tekan kat sini juga. So what is interesting with this spider? Okay, if I wait 1 minute, I exit first. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, spider ni dia akan show to you. It will debug one by one. Okay, we show if hand equal to 0. Now I press hand equal to 0, right? And see, it will go show you. Okay, hand equal to 1. Dia kat sini, dia akan, nampak tak ada color warna yellow at box tu, means dia tengah run coding. And then if you press again, see, it will go to hand equal to 2, means it's in this coding, it will display here. Okay, so ni if you want to see how the flow of the codes lah, misalnya tekan dekat spider, I don't know, this toggle debug. So the beautiful of this microbit, you can see where it runs. So stop again. Let me. How you're going to click dekat snail, dia akan tunjuk. Snail ni macam slow motion kan, so dia akan tunjuk slow mo. So now it's on shake kan. So you need command. So you need to press on shake, and then now it is in this yellow command, play melody. Okay. And then if I press again shake, and then it will go to the another melody. Okay, so adik-adik boleh explore lah. So just go exit debug mode. So far okay ke semua? Is it fun? Microbit ke susah? Is it fun?
It's fine.
Okay, very good. Okay, so I just show to you. I think we short of time. So for the rest, I have record actually. I will share in the group. So because I think maybe we are short of time. So this is what I showed before, and I just want to introduce servo motor. Dr. Susie, I think we don't have enough time, right? So I just
I think can share the video lah.
Share the video, right? Okay. So adik-adik boleh explore ni servo motor, menarik juga. So you can see the motor works. This is the mechanical lah. So servo motor goes to 0, 180. So this one adik-adik can explore. Okay. So I just keep this video, and the last part is about the try engineering. So for those parents here, on top of this microbit, I just want to share with you, in IEEE, we have what we call IEEE try engineering. There is a lot of resources for engineering plans where you can do with your kids. So it's suitable for age 4 until 18, and it's open source. If you are a teacher, you can use this in the class. If you are a student, ada adik-adik boleh explore sendiri pun, boleh buat kat rumah. So all it is a low cost punya lesson plan. So let's say ni example lah, dekat dalam tu yang you can try to explore. We have Arduino blink change and 1000. So for more information, just go to this tryengineering.org. So with that, I end my presentation. This is one picture from Bangladesh. So they teach the microbit, they give free kits. So before the exposure of the microbit, only like 13% no coding. But after the microbit, 95% that increase coding in the future, and 70 more girls said that they will choose this. So this is our hope to semua adik-adik ni. This is the first step. Adik-adik kau bangga hari Ahad pagi untuk tengok untuk belajar ni. So it will maybe spark your interest to learn more. Okay. So with that, I end my session, Dr. Susie. Sorry for the extra time.
No problem. Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Aliza. So harap adik-adik semua dah belajar Tinkercad dan juga belajar Microbit ya. Semua adalah percuma, boleh buat online. Okay. So next kita ada Dr. Gaddafi. Okay, kalau adik-adik tengok mungkin dah terlebih masa sikit tapi tak apa, kita ada some buffer time. Jangan bimbang, harap-harap semua stay sampai hujung sebab ada quiz Ada Abang Eugene dah sediakan quiz, tapi selepas kita buat hardware. So ada beberapa pelajar yang dah ada hardware. So Dr. Gaddafi, untuk mereka yang dah ada hardware tu akan ada some session lah. Mereka yang tak ada jangan bimbang, boleh continue buat practice Tinkercad dengan Microbit. Lepas tu kalau berminat boleh minta ayah atau mak belikan Microbit ni. So Dr. Gaddafi, I will just introduce Dr. Gaddafi. He is a research fellow at the Institute of Microengineering and Nanoelectronics, UKM. He received his Bachelor of Engineering from Technical University of Nova Scotia, Canada, Master's degree from University of Southern California, USA, and PhD degree from Dalhousie University, Canada. So his research interests includes organic electronics, nanotechnology, and thin film coating deposition. Previously, he worked as a professional engineer in Canada in a multinational company in Malaysia for several years. So Dr. Gaddafi, the floor is all yours. Apologies for the delay, but I hope it's beneficial for students here today. Dr. Gaddafi, over to you.
Okey, salam sejahtera semua dan Assalamualaikum adik-adik. So kita dah belajar basic circuit and lepas tu session 2 kita buat some simulation. So this session, the last session, saya akan suruh adik-adik semua kod dalam Microbit, lepas tu kita akan transfer at the end masuk kepada Microbit, kepada sesiapa yang ada Microbit lah ya. Kalau siapa tak ada pun boleh ikut, then you guys just simulate it macam biasa, macam the session number 2 tadi ya. Okay. Okay, sekejap saya share saya punya ni. Okay, boleh nampak ya. So first kita akan buat project number 1 ni, is a dark or light detector. So dalam projek ni kita boleh fikir, or we can think of a few application lah. Contohnya yang saya dah list kat sini, street light. So contohnya kita nak street light tepi jalan tu dia on automatic bila dia gelap kan, bila malam dia akan on automatic. Okay. Another one example is night light. So maksudnya kadang-kadang kita bangun nak pergi bilik air malam-malam tak nampak. So night light tu kita nak dia on bila dia gelap saja kan. Okay, lagi satu contoh, plants watering. Kalau kita nak make nak siram pokok bunga ke apa automatic time siang saja ke time malam saja ke, itu antara application dia lah. So kalau boleh adik-adik cuba nampak kod yang sebelah kanan ni kan? So cuba, sebab tadi dah praktis sikit, cuba buka Microbit, masuk yang gambar yang sebelah kanan ni. Cuba. Saya ada filenya, saya akan bagi juga kepada siapa yang tak dapat. Tapi saya kalau boleh nak tengok adik-adik cuba dululah. So at the same time saya akan buat juga, saya akan tunjuk dalam saya punya skrin lah. Ya, nampak tak skrin Microbit saya? Ke dia share PowerPoint saya saja?
Tak nampak Dr. Gaddafi.
Tak nampak so saya kena stop sharing, share saya punya ni ya. Okey, jap saya stop sharing yang ni.
Kalau tukar window tak boleh Dr. Gad?
Tak tahu, saya dah tukar window lah ni, on my side saya dah tukar window. Just
Ke you kena kecilkan kot yang PowerPoint tu kena
minimize.
Kena minimize, yes.
Apa? Okey, so saya minimize. Okey, keluar tak Microbit saya ni?
Tak.
Tak jap. Ya. Stop sharing. Saya kena buat manual lah stop sharing. Okey, nampak tak saya punya Microbit?
Nampak Dr. Gad.
Okey. So adik-adik boleh cuba. Kalau stuck baru saya sharekan dia punya what we call the hex file. Kalau stuck bagi tahu ya. Sekejap ada chat ni siap. Okey. Adam dah done, okey. Siapa lagi done beritahu ya. Adam boleh try ya. Kalau dekat on the left side tu, siapa yang sudah, saya akan repeat balik lah. On the left side dekat atas tu, dekat Microbit tu, dia ada macam bulat tu. Kuning and dark grey. So you can click your mouse, this is you can change your light level. Okay, if you can see that, saya punya code ni, saya tulis light level below than 50, dia keluar macam matahari lah lebih kurang saya punya drawing ni. I mean bigger than 50. Okay, greater than 50 dia akan keluar benda tu. So kalau saya below 50, 48, saya nampak this moon, bulan lah. Itu saja basically. And kita boleh tukar value ni kepada apa yang kita nak lah. Sampai saya tukar 70. Light level ni saya boleh tukar 70 kan. So klik sini balik. Selagi di atas 70 dia akan show the sun lah. So bila saya bawa kurang 70 dia akan keluar this moon shape ya. So ada yang lain? Ada yang dah siap?
I have a question.
Yes.
Does the microbit count as a detector?
Microbit can detect many things through your input. Boleh detect cahaya, boleh detect vibration macam shake tadi tu. Boleh detect sound. Yeah. Ada lagi yang dah ni, first everyone okay or siapa yang ada difficulty beritahu. Oh Din ada problem. Din ada problem, abang dia boleh tolong ya. Din tu anak saya kat sebelah sana tu. Dah ada chat ni. Sudah cikgu Dan. Okay. Alright. So, okay. Okay, at the same time saya akan share lagi satu yang bagus dengan Microbit ni semua. Saya boleh share je dekat, nanti saya share dekat Zoom ni. Kalau siapa tak dapat tu boleh drag je file tu kepada screen Microbit. Ya, sekejap di sini. Mana saya punya ni tadi?
You can see your WhatsApp.
Itulah. Tahu saya tengah. Macam mana nak pergi balik, saya kena confuse lah Zoom ni. Nak pergi balik saya punya tu tak jumpa pula.
Share dululah, dia tegak unshare dulu.
Ya, saya stop sharing dulu.
Stop sharing, lepas tu
balik.
open what you want to share, then share balik.
Okay, dia tak boleh share screen ke? So they can see whatever everything that I do.
Can. Sepatutnya boleh. Sepatutnya boleh.
Share sekejap Screen screen.
Share screen.
Kan lagi senang. Okay, share screen.
Use share screen instead of share whatever window.
Tapi ni nampak kenapa dia tunjuk saya punya WhatsApp saja ni. Oh, di belakang. Sorry. Okay.
Okay, dah tegak.
Alright. Okay. So saya nak tunjuk kat sini. Okay, contohnya saya dekat Zoom tu, saya nak share file dalam screen ni tak ada pula. Okay, dalam chat, sorry. Dalam chat ada. Chat ni, okay. Saya akan share hex file ni ya. So, saya pergi dekat sini. your computer. Sekejap ya. Mana pergi saya punya?
Tu hex file tu ada kat situ.
Itulah saya nak buka yang ni lah, tapi dia tak keluar. Yang dekat saya punya ni tak ada. Sekejap eh. Saya punya OneDrive tak ada dalam ni. Ada. Mana OneDrive tu?
You mean your hardware?
Yeah, I mean yang Zoom ni doesn't allow me to go to my OneDrive ni. Caranya copy this one. Saya cancel kejap. Sekejap. Copy.
Makro.
Okay. Okay. Saya share hex file ni. Siapa yang tak dapat boleh daripada dah download tu, drag je masuk kepada screen make code ni. Siapa yang tak dapat boleh try. Yang dah ada tu tak payahlah. Okay saya dah share kat situ. Okay. Now, so saya akan minta host pingkan saya punya mic saya punya stop sharing ya. Okay. Saya punya biasa kamera. Okey ni. Okey ya. Okey. Sekarang ni siapa yang ada Microbit? Boleh keluarkan Microbit tu. Microbit. Okey. Saya keluarkan Microbit. So dalam kotak tu juga ada USB cable. Ya. Okey. Alright. So connectkan dekat sini ya, yang ni USB-nya tu. Yang kecil tu masuk situ lah. Okay, saya masukkan. Okay. Okay, dah masuk macam tu. Ya. Okay. Dia ada N. Dia ada N ni. Masuk ke your computer. Punya USB port ni. So kan. Okay, so you can see. Okay. Mana tu? You can see your USB on lah. Okay. Alright. Okay. Semua dapat? Cuba buat. Okay. So if you pergi dekat you punya ni, ada Microbit-nya ni dah keluar dah. Dia auto detect, dia akan keluar Microbit punya drive. Macam ni. Saya punya E drive, dia keluar Microbit, dia klik E. Okay. Apa Okay. Now pergi balik dekat make code tu. Kan? On the left side bawah tu ada download. Okay. So this will download kita punya code tu kepada komputer kita. So klik download. Okay. Download complete dan klik done. Okay. So you go back to your download folder. Saya dah ada lah kat sini. Okay. You just drag this file ke the other folder. Just drag and drop. As easy as that. So macam saya, okay, saya akan tarik Microbit ni ke Microbit punya folder. Lepas tu saya akan copy masuk Microbit. Okay. Okay. Lepas tu pergi balik dekat your Microbit, maksudnya dia dah download lah tu. Okay. So sekarang ni boleh nampak saya punya tu tak? Saya punya itu nampak saya punya moon, maksudnya terlalu gelap. Okay. Terlalu gelap. So what I can do is I can take a lampu suluh atau buka lampu mana-mana. Saya akan suluh ke atas tu, dia akan tukar gambar yang macam matahari tu. Okey, sekejap Sekejap.
Dr. Aliza boleh ni tunjuk Dr. Gad dengan Microbit hardware next to each other.
Dah spotlight. Each other kejap dah.
Okey, nampak kan? Sekarang ni dia tengok gambar moon tu. So bila saya ambil lampu flashlight daripada another handphone, saya shine kat dia, dia tukar D. Nampak tak? Dia tukar gambar matahari tu. Because saya punya setting yang light level 70 tu, itu dia punya threshold lah. Kita panggil. So bila saya tarik lampu flashlight ni, dia jadi gambar moon tu. Okey. Jadi saya letak balik flashlight. Dia akan jadi gambar matahari tu yang 4 segi tu sikit. Okay. So siapa yang tak ada Microbit, you can just simulate dekat on Macode lah, ya.
Dr. Aliza, dia Microbit punya tu memang
Ya, Dr. Susie.
boleh nampak
Saya buat spotlight dah. Dekat Dr. Gaddafi dengan Microbit. Kena speaker, kena view speaker.
Tapi nampak satu je. Nampak Dr. Gad je.
Saya dah saya dah add dah.
Dekat saya nampak saya dua-dua lah.
Nampak dua.
Oh ya ke? Saya punya lah.
Dr. Susie kena pergi kat speaker, view speaker.
Atas tu speaker. Bukan gallery.
Saya nampak satu je.
Adam tanya tu je. Adam tanya tak nampak cara download. Okey, download macam ni. Pergi dekat Macode tu, sini. Di bawah sebelah kiri tu ada download kan? Okay, just click download. So, dia tulis kat situ download completed. Kan? Lepas tu done je lah. So, if you check your download folder, you kena check lah your download folder you kat mana. Kan? So, kod tu sepatutnya ada kat situ. Macam saya kat sini, kod saya kan. Dia download ke sini lah. Ini Microbit light detector ni. Kan? So, you can just drag that file ni kepada Microbit punya folder. This one. Kan? You just drag, drop ke sini. Lepas tu, let's check. As easy as that. Boleh ya? Kalau tak nampak cara download, tak ada presentation. Screen doktor saya tak share.
Kena share screen kot Dr. Gad. Screen.
Okey. Masa saya terangkan tu dia tak share lagi, dah tutup kan. Okey, alright. Share balik okey tu. Okey. Nampak tak share screen tu?
Okey, nampak.
Okey. So Adam kat bawah ni, kat bawah Macode tu ada button download. So klik je download tu. Kan? So dia tulis download completed. Just done. Okay. Lepas tu you go back to your download folder, whichever that is, whatever that is. Macam saya punya kat sini. So ada kat situ Microbit light detector number 3.hex. Okay. So you just drag that file masuk ke dalam Microbit punya folder. As simple as that. Ya. Boleh cubalah. Tapi apa-apa pun kita ada recording. So once dah download tu, you can play with your microbit lah, pergi kat microbit. Kan? Mana artinya? Microbit tengok test. Ni boleh? Dekat microbit saya ni, kan? So cahaya tak cukup, dia jadi bentuk bulan lah. Bila saya letak flashlight kat sini, dia tukar jadi macam matahari lah. Okay, alright. Okay. So basically, yes, it's simple as that. Kalau kita nak transfer all our code to our microbit. Okay. Now kita pergi the next project. Okay. Project number 2. Okay. Project number 2, steps counter, the count steps. So some of the application saya dah list kat sini.
Dr. Gaddafi, boleh share screen balik tak?
Oh, share screen boleh. Okay.
Yang slide tu untuk project.
Bila saya ni, sorry ya. Okay. Nampak So kita buat project number 2 ya, steps counter ya. So antara application dia saya list kat sini, kita nak count step. Maksudnya kita berapa kali kita melangkah ke apa ke, kita boleh program dia, kita letak microbit tu kat kasut kita ke mana. So it will detect the kita punya vibration lah, shaking ke apa semua. Okay. So another application kita nak detect vibration. Another one kita tally counter lah, macam kita nak count berapa orang masuk dalam LRT ke apa ke kan. Kita count. Selalunya ini dekat kapal lah, kita tak nak kapal penumpang tu overload dengan berat sangat orang kan. Okay. Another one is like prayer beads lah, macam tasbih lah. Prayer beads. Okay. So now, okay, you all boleh try buat ni pula. This one kena input variables. Variable saya dalam ni nama dia steps. Korang letaklah apa-apa ke. Cuba try buat macam ni. At the same time saya terus share code je lah. Dekat chat ni. Okay, saya dah share. Boleh check kat situ. Saya nak mention yang project 1 ni, yang tadi ni. So kita buat ni supaya kita save energy supaya kita towards pada green energy lah. Renewable energy, kita less use less unwanted waste of energy, kita pakai when we need the energy only okay. So back to project 2. So hex code tu saya dah letak. So let's download the hex code tu Okay, ingat tak nampak macam ni. So sebenarnya saya pun boleh je copy microbit saya punya step ni, saya boleh drag ni kepada make code juga. So saya nak macam ni so saya drag je. Pergi kat sini. Drag step counter saya ke make code saya.
Dr. Gad, ada soalan daripada Imana Meril. May I know how to apply the code for the application and is it always connect to USB?
Okay. The code. Okay. May I know how to apply the code for the application? Okay. Sepaham saya maksud adik Iman ni macam mana nak masukkan kod dalam tu lah kan, dalam microbit. So once you transfer the code, actually you can take out the cable. You take out the cable and you use this battery case ni untuk power dia. Saya sambungkan supaya senang, supaya memang microbit tu ada power terus.
Lagi ke?
Apa? Ulang balik.
Ada kuis lagi ke?
Kuis? Kuis ada lepas ni. Kuis ada kuis. Ada. Nanti we all bagi kuis dekat adik-adik.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, how to use the app. Tadi macam tadi saya dah tunjuk tadi application tu yang saya buat mula tu, saya bila tak cukup lampu dia akan tunjuk bulan. Bila saya shine torchlight atas dia tukar ni. Itu yang first project lah. Tu saya tunjuk dia punya tu. Kalau tak faham boleh apa? Tak faham boleh tengok video balik lah. Oh, Syarifah ada soalan juga. Okay, Microbit folder. Microbit folder tu sepatutnya once kita connect USB tu dia akan keluar automatically. Kalau tak ada, you check your apa? Dekat screen saya ni, you check your ni lah. File manager. There should be your assigned drive lah. Macam saya ada drive C and D. Lepas tu dia assign Microbit as drive E lah. Okay. Alright, let's start.
Dekat chat kan?
Apa?
Quiz ada dekat chat.
Quiz ada dekat chat. Tak apa. Nanti kita worry about quiz after this. Okay. Quiz nanti kita letak dekat chat ya. Okay. Okay, semua dah dapat kod ni ya. Boleh download. Boleh download sendiri. Okay, kod ni okay, saya download. Okay, saya download completed. So done. Okay. So what you do now, buka balik kat folder download tu. Okay. Okay, you just drag this file. You can drag or copy whatever. Okay. Masuk dalam Microbit ni folder ya. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab this one. Masuk dalam Microbit. Okay. So it's copying now. Okay. Alright, done. So what this program does is actually, bila kita shake it, dia akan count starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So kalau simulate kita tekan kat sini, it count, okay? So at one time, once kita nak reset, saya dah program kat sini tulis. Once we press button A, it will reset back to 0. Okay, so kita tekan and tu. Okay, that's yang siapa yang tak ada hardware lah, boleh buat macam tu. Okay, so now let's see my screen on the hardware ni. Okay. Nampak ya? Nampak tak? Okay, so saya shake, dia tukar 1, nampak? Nampak ya? Shake, dia tukar 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, so once kita dah kira dah tak nak reset, tekan A. So dia kosong balik. Nampak ya? So saya dah show simulation boleh buat, hardware pun boleh buat. Okay. Ada apa-apa soalan? Ada soalan ni sekejap. Where to get the hex code? Dalam chat. Cuba tengok ada tak? Saya dah share. Chat Zoom. So, chat.
Ada quiz ke? Dah ada quiz.
Belum lagi ada, kejap Dr. Gad dah nak habis, lepas tu kita ada quiz Sabar kejap je lagi.
Dah nak habis pun, tunggu apa adik Syarifah ni. Hex code tu boleh saya share dekat atas tu tadi, ada. Dr. Susie ada kan yang saya share tu? Dekat chat tu. Nampak tak?
Tak ada dalam chat box.
Ada ya?
Ada Dr. Gad, tak ada.
Oh, okay, sorry. Oh, yang ni saya tak share. Okay, sorry, saya share now.
Tak ada.
Counter. Okay. Tu dia. Okay. Adik Syarifah boleh ni boleh try. Okay, saya rasa itulah saja saya punya session. Saya tunjuk macam mana tu je lah. Coding semua dah kita touch semua tadi. So cara nak transfer dan nak pakai dia hardware lah. Okay. Itu saja Dr. Susie saya rasa.
Dr. Gad ada share dalam chat yang code tu.
Tu
ada nampak.
Tak nampak dekat saya punya screen dah keluar sekejap.
Mungkin boleh share dekat ni kot, dekat WhatsApp kot. Nanti.
WhatsApp tu saya tak ada dalam grup tu rasanya.
Oh ya.
Sekejap saya share dalam yang EDS-nya tu. Boleh? Sekejap. Okay, saya share dalam WhatsApp tu, minta siapa tolong share dalam
Okay.
ya, ada 2 hex file tu.
Okay.
Okay, so hex file tu tengah share dalam WhatsApp group ya. So adik-adik boleh try lah. Adik boleh try nanti. So on my part itu sajalah. Dr. Susie.
Okay, alright.
Okay.
Terima kasih Dr. Gaddafi. So adik-adik dah belajar 2 program hardware. Mereka yang ada Microbit hardware boleh try dua-dua tu lah. Step counter dan juga light Okay, so sekarang kita akan masuk ke quiz. Dan quiz akan dikelolakan oleh Tan Eugene. So Tan Eugene is our undergraduate student who is he's undertaking his 4th year studies in Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia, Faculty of Engineering. So all of you can open your Kahoot. Okay, you can open your Kahoot now. And wait, let me share the link Kahoot. So please use your correct name ya. Jangan the name yang sama dengan yang which you will use for your sijil ya. Your correct name. Jangan guna nama yang kami tak kenal So please use your correct name. Because if you don't know who you are, then it's difficult. If you win the prize, we don't know whom to give, right? So use your correct name. Okay. Yeah, okay. So you can see in the chat, you can join kahoot.it. The PIN number is 1472438. Okay. Eugene, maybe you can take over from here, Eugene.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Dr. Aliza, please pin Eugene and Eugene.
Dan on the spotlight.
Okay.
Jom semua, mari kita register. Make sure nama kamu betul. Okay, kita tunggu lagi 30 saat.
Doctor? What is game pin?
147 2438. You can find the pin number in the chat. Okay, is everyone have joined? Okay, still joining. Let's still give some moment. Okay. Okay, still joining. Okay, I will count down in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Has everyone joined or still having trouble in joining the Kahoot? If not, I shall start the quiz now. Okay, so I assume everyone has joined. I'll be still joining. Then let's give some moment again. Okay, just to let you all know, I'm sure that your name are correct. And if I'm not mistaken, there's 13 quiz. question. I also forget already. Okay, am I? So I count down again in 10 seconds. If not, then I will start it now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's start the quiz. Okay, quiz number 1. What can we do in Tinkercad? Okay, for here there is 2 answers. If you pick either one of it, it's still correct, no problem. Yes, it is either 3D design or circuit design, as mentioned just now. Okay, next question. The figure shown circuit is connected in. Okay, what type of circuit is this? Is this a parallel, series, short, or open? Yes, it is a parallel. Okay, next question. Okay, this is a circuit shown just now. So this is a parallel, series, open, or short. Hopefully everyone has still remember the type of circuit. Yes, it is a series circuit. Next. Okay, just now mentioned, the higher the resistance, the brighter or the lower the light of the bulb. This is true or false? Okay, the higher resistance, the brighter the light of the bulb. Okay, to measure voltage, the multimeter must be in parallel in circuit. Is it true or false? Okay, it's true. Next. Device that can be used to upload coding to Microbit are laptop, tablet, and smartphone. Is it true or false? So just now how you upload your coding to the Microbit? Yes, it is true. You can use laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Okay, what is this? I believe you all have seen this a lot and you all know the spelling, right? Tahu ejaan untuk komponen ini kan? I mean device ini. Oh, yang ini Microbit. Okay. Okay, berapa LED kat LED ini? Okay, sini ada 25 LED. Next. Okay, what can we do with Microbit? Microbit kita boleh buat apa? Sini ada lebih dari satu answer, jadi sila pilih yang mana satu pun boleh juga. Okay, sebenarnya semua ini pun ada microbit boleh buat juga jika kita belajar lebih detail. Okay, apakah coding yang tertunjuk? Ini semua kotak-kotak. Ini dipanggil visual block coding. So, as you all can see, it's a block. So we also can call it a block programming. Okay, 11 question. Microbit is a type of resistor, diode, transistor, or microcontroller. Tadi kita ada cakap kan, belakang dia ada processor untuk control benda. Jadi ini panggil apa? Okay, ini microcontroller. Okay, last two question. Okay, if I program microbit music, apa akan terjadi? Ini adalah circuit hardware jika kita mau program microbit untuk music kan. Jadi apa yang akan berlaku? Okay, music akan play. Next. Question terakhir. Can the servo motor move? Okay, tengok ini litar dia kan. Dia 1 dan 3 volt dan ground. Tapi program dia letak apa? Dia letak kat pin 2. Jadi ini akan berfungsi tak? Sekarang kita letak pin 1 tapi sini dia set pin 2. Okay, dia tak akan berfungsi sebab tadi kita letak pin 2 tapi litar dia ada kat pin 1. Jadi dia tak akan, dia servo motor itu tak akan rotate. Okay, mari kita tengok siapa pemenang untuk hari ini. Okay, pertama kita ada Daniel Lim, Tanya.
Okay, congratulations. Congrats. Daniel Lim, Ahmad Furkan, and also Fateh. Congratulations. Okay. So, thank you so much, Tan Eugene, for handling the Kahoot quiz just now. So, all the winners, please stand by. We will contact you regarding the prizes. So, please. Okay. All excited about the quiz. All right. Okay. So now, Dr. Ernie and Dr. Fad can share the link for the feedback form. So adik-adik semua perlu isi feedback form dulu ya, baru boleh dapat sertifikat ya. So ada soalan dalam tu, kami just nak tanyalah pendapat adik-adik tentang program ni, minat dan sebagainya lah, macam mana nak perbaiki untuk masa depan. So just isi Google Form tu. So yang paling penting nama sekolah dan sebagainya lah. Okay. So kalau dah isi Google Form tu, kita beri sedikit masa, maybe 5 minit lagi. Dr. Ernie boleh share dalam WhatsApp group pun ya, Google Form tu ya. Okay. Okay. So everyone have filled it up already? Okay, maybe for one last time, we can have a group photo. All of you can switch on your camera and we can have one last group photo before we end. Okay, ada siapa-siapa nak beri komen tak pada Cikgu Dr Hazian, Dr Aliza and then Dr Gaddafi ya. So all of you belajar tentang Tinkercad, tentang Microbit, online and also hardware. So ada siapa-siapa nak bagi tahu nak beri feedback ke, best ke, susah ke, tak boleh follow ke?
I want to say thank you for the effort by all the Cikgu today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Anyone else you like to say something? You want to say?
Doctor.
All right, thank you, Falik. All right, so it's we actually overshoot the
3 years.
Pardon? Yes, Imana?
I used Tinkercad for 3 years actually.
Oh, okay, very good, very good. So hope to see you becoming an engineer one day, Imana.
Thank you.
And
Alright.
hope all of you will explore more the microbit. It's quite
Yes,
fun
yes.
actually. Yeah, we just give
Yeah.
you some starter points so you can explore
Correct.
more. Yeah, right?
Yeah. Okay, so Dr. Erni atau Dr. Fad boleh tolong ambilkan the final group photo and then that's it. Kalau dah cakap just inform us once it's done. Ayar Bernard, thanks for joining. Thanks so much for joining.
No problem. Well done. Thank you very much. It was entertaining and fun.
Okay, thank you, Ayar Bernard.
Thank you, Mr. Bernard. Okay,
problem.
maybe I just take the screen. Okay, smile everyone.
Smile, semua buka kamera, smile.
Hey, microbit is fun.
Microbit is
1, 2,
fun.
3, smile. Okay, wait 1 minute. Okay, let me say first. Okay, another one, freestyle. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you so much everyone.
Susie, kita tak share untuk kupon lunch ke tak ada?
Okay, Dr. Fadlina boleh share kod yang link lunch punya tu. Ada ya Dr. Fad? Ataupun kita Dr. Fad?
Ya, Doktor nak claim lunch claim. For the participant, right?
Okay, sijil nanti kami akan email ya. Sebab tu dalam form tu sepatutnya ada email dalam Google Form tu. Ataupun dalam registration tu lah. Okay, so dalam link tu, dalam chat dah ada form untuk claim lunch. So setiap orang ada boleh claim lah. Tapi kena upload receipt ya. Maksudnya beli makanan dulu. Boleh beli untuk RM10 lah. Kami akan bayar RM10 untuk setiap seorang. So beli apa-apa makanan, minta mak bapak beli aiskrim ke. Okay, beli aiskrim ke, beli apa-apalah, coklat ke apa-apa, dan upload receipt tu dalam Google Form tu ya. Dan kami akan bayar based on receipt dan juga based on account number yang ada dalam Google Form tu. Okay, so tu je lah. So harap semua adik-adik semua happy dan dapat belajar something new. Saya nak ucapkan terima kasihlah kepada instruktor kita hari ini, Dr Hazian, Dr Aliza dan juga Dr Gaddafi, dan juga semua partisipan yang ambil bahagian dalam program STEM IEEE EDS Malaysia dengan IMAN KM. So please stay in the group. Kita ada program minggu hadapan juga. Dr Erni boleh share yang program minggu hadapan? Dr Erni? Slide yang Okey, kita ada minggu hadapan hari Ahad. Kalau tak pergi pantai ke, tak pergi makan kat luar, boleh join ya. Kita ada program STEM. Okey, ini adalah program STEM, My Journey on How I Become an Electronics Engineer. Okey, kita tengok panel semua hebat-hebat. Ada Dr Nafa, IR Bernard, Prof Yati, Eugene pun akan bercakap dan juga Dr Ismail. So ini minggu depan, hari Ahad, free ya, semua orang boleh join, free, ada e-certificate. So mari kita dengar daripada mereka semua bagaimana mereka menjadi electronics engineer. Okay. Lepas tu selain daripada tu ada juga program IMAN. Next slide please, Dr. Erni. Okay, IMAN ada program junior elektronik akhir tahun. So nantikan posternya kami akan edarkan. So kalau adik-adik nak, kalau masa tu boleh datang UKM, bolehlah join ya. Kalau tak boleh kita buat online je lah ya. Alright. Itu saja pada kali ini. Terima kasih semua. Take care of yourself and bye.
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 Okay,
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye, teacher. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.